Okay, this is my unpacking, unboxing of the HTC EVO 4G by FreedomPop. I ordered this product a few days before November 8th, 2013, and they charged me a total of $114.40, including shipping and handling and sales taxes. And they sent it out on December 18th, 2013, and it was supposed to arrive 2 days ago on Thursday, but today's Saturday, so it arrived 2 days later on December 28th, 2013, due to UPS and FedEx being overloaded during the Christmas season. So let's try and open this box now. Looks like I got 2 pieces of air padding and a packing slip, and let's see, my product that I ordered from FreedomPop. So I believe it's a HTC EVO 4G, and it's probably a refurbished product. And let's see, it was originally introduced in March 23rd, 2010, so it's over 3 years old, by Sprint. And let's see, I believe the service works over VoIP, so I hear it's probably not going to be good in motion. And my account shows that I get monthly limits of talk 200 minutes, text 500 messages, and data 1.98 gigabytes. When I logged into my account a few days ago, I noticed my data was 0.98 gigabytes, so I guess they gave me an extra gig a month for the inconvenience of having to wait over a month to get my product. The overage fees will be 1 cent a minute over talks, 1 cent per text over the 500 messages, and I disabled automatic top-up to prevent being charged extra. There's a voicemail option of $2.49 a month, but I believe I didn't opt in on that. Okay, so let's open this. Here we go. Looks like all I get is the phone, some instructions, and a charger. So here's the phone. Definitely, from the back side, it definitely doesn't look brand new. But from the front, This thing looks very nice. Oh. So it says hold the power button top right for 3 seconds. Oh, there we go. There's a splash screen for the HTC EVO 4G. So the first step, it says power on the phone. Hold the power button top right for 3 seconds. Second step, it says activate the account using the email used to sign up for FreedomPop. I know what it is, but I don't know how long this phone will take to boot. Oh, this is pretty cool. Looks like they've modified the ROM to include their stuff. FreedomPop Android is booting up. Okay, this looks like it's about maybe less than 2 minutes for this to boot up, which is actually pretty good. Okay, so now what? Sprint Connections Optimizer. To enhance your data experience, the Sprint Connections Optimizer will automatically connect you to Wi-Fi networks on your device's remembered list, e.g. your home network and the Sprint 4G network. Sprint has provided, through a recent maintenance release, the Sprint Connections Optimizer setting to help manage your Wi-Fi and 4G connections. Oops, that disappeared. Okay, so this is 4G antennas on. Figure out how to do Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll have to figure out the rest. Thanks for watching.